Hello friends, welcome to Domain Racer. This video is in partnership with dedicatedcore.com. So whenever you want your startup, so that time you should go with Domain Racer. But if you want to create your own server, that time you go and contact our dedicated core team. They will help you to your server setup. In this tutorial, I am going to cover how to log in WHM and cPanel. So let's get started. First, you should go to the domainracer.com and here you can see the login option. When click on that, I have already logged in and first is a services. Click on services and next click on next due date. Here you can see the cPanel and WHM credentials are available. Server URL, username and password. In name servers, you will get the video guidance. When click on that, you will get all the guidance related name servers, how to update name server and all. After that, video guidance is also present in this page. Let's click on that. When someone wants to launch a website, that time he will faces lots of issues like how to upload website, how to SSL, how to add on. Everything is explained in this video. This is a master video for you, so you can able to support your customer easily. Whenever and whatever questions comes in your mind, here you got exact solutions to your queries. And also you can see the SEO default. When we talk about your marketing, so that time SEO default is one of our partner. So from that you will get a free additional premium SEO tool. We are not giving free, but it is a premium free SEO tool. Without Domain Racer, you cannot access this. It is only for you, not for your clients. Support is not included in this. So it is a third-party application. We just want to add some more values in your life. So we had just partnership SEO default. So I am going to explain you how to log in WHM. Here is the credentials are. Copy this URL, server URL, paste it into new tab, give colon after that and enter the number 2087 and enter. After that, here is the username and password is come. You have to give the username from this. Copy this username, paste here and password and click on login button. Here you will successfully log in WHM. Next, I am going to show you how to log in into cPanel. Here is the server URL. Copy it and paste it into new tab. Give colon and 2083. Enter. Here is the cPanel login screen is appear. Just give username and password. Username is copy, paste and password. And click on login button. Here you will get successfully login in cPanel. I hope you understand how to log in WHM and cPanel. In next video, I will explain how to create custom name server at hosting and domain register.